Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Today's video we will discuss some of the orders company received like Rites, Garden Rich Shipyard, SHAKTI Pump. Then we'll see Bajaj ka Q1 result and we'll check the result in details. DBCORP result and the dividend. Zomato share about to down by 50%. We'll see what is the reason. Hatsun Agro, yesterday the result happened and due to that 16% surge. We'll see the chart. SpiceJet result. IREDA, one news came for the project in Nepal. Century Textile 8% up. Why? We'll see that. Railway stock rally on hopes of increased budgetary allocation. We'll see which all stock can be affected. Tomorrow's result calendar we'll see. Nifty today how it performed and FYI activity. Let's get started. As per BSE website, today SHAKTI Pumps, Garden Rich and Rites has received the respective orders. We'll see one by one. First, Rites Limited. It says in BSE website that it has received an order for third-party monitoring and quality control of 47 roads, and the detail for entry that awarding the award is Public Work Department, Government of Assam. Coming to the time period, 18 months, and size of the order is around 50 crore inclusive of GST. So that around 42 crores of valuation. Second big order coming from Garden Rich Shipbuilders Engineers Limited, and this order came actually from another government organization, that is Polar and Ocean Research, right? And the order is for construction and delivery for Ocean Research Vehicle, ORV, right? Nature of the order, construction and delivery of one of the Ocean Research vessel, 42 months of period of time which is to be executed, approx 840 crore rupees worth of order. That's a good amount. I have recorded a video and published in YouTube channel on detail oriented research on Grse. Please do watch that. Next big order today is for SHAKTI Pump, and this order received from Maharashtra Energy Department Agency for 1200 number of off-grid solar water pump system for various locations across Maharashtra under PM Kusum scheme, and the order worth is 33.47 crore inclusive of GST. Little bit more detail. The order consists of design, manufacture, supply, transport, installation, testing and commissioning, all the activities, and it came from Maharashtra Energy Department Agency, MEDA. The duration of this order is 120 days from today, and the worth value is 33.47 crore. That's the order for SHAKTI Pump. So GREC, SHAKTI Pump and Rites all should be in your radar for future growth potential. Today, large cap Bajaj Auto disclosed their result for Q1, and it's a very good number of result. Profit after tax jumps 18% YOY to 1942 crore, and revenue also rises 16%. Synopsis says consolidated revenue is 11,932 crore, reflecting 16% rise compared to 10,312 crore in the corresponding quarter of the previous financial year. Sequentially, the PAT for reported quarter actually was down 3.4% against 2,011 crore reported in the January-March quarter. So in both the cases, it got increased. Let's see the consolidated unaudited financial result, and it says the total revenue from operation is 11,932 crore against 10,311 crore, right? There's an increase here. Similarly, profit after tax is 1941 crore against 1644 crore. So there is both the way the increase which we have discussed today. If you're liking my video, please hit like button, share and put some comment for the feedback. Next news on the DBCORP Q1 result. Stock surges 7-year high today, and 7 rupees of dividend also declared. So the record date for the same has been fixed as July 29, 2024. So keep it in your radar. Zomato stock dropped 5% today because Macquarie sees nearly 50% downside due to the fierce competition. Macquarie cautions that rising competitive intensity in the quick commerce segment, especially with the entry of JioMart 30-minute grocery delivery, may hurt Blinkit and Zomato's quick commerce arm. So time will say that how the competition goes, but as of today, Zomato's share dropped 5%. Yesterday, Hatsun result came and it was a very good result. You can check my video for that. And because of that, today the price surges was 16% and hit a new fresh 52 weeks high after Q1 result. Interestingly, in less than 2 months, the stock has surged over 44% from its 52 weeks low to now 52 weeks high. So drastic change in the price. This stock should be in your radar. This is the chart for Hatsun Agro. This is the day chart, and as you see today it started pretty high and touched around 1400 and settled the closing price almost into this particular zone where it got broken today itself. So it settled down in the same price level of 1234. So in my analysis, as per my analysis, 1234 should be the baseline from now. If it's dropped below, it should settle around 1175, this range, and go back again into the upward journey. News from Reda. It approved equity investment to set up 900 megawatt power project in Nepal. We'll see and check the news in details. So the news says Renewable Energy PSU Reda has confirmed that it has approved equity investment up to 10% shareholding to GMR Upper Karnali Hydro Product Power Limited and Karnali Transmission Company Private Limited to set up 900 megawatt hydroelectric power project in Nepal. The combined amount of investment around 290 crore, and the project has been associated with SGBN. So SGBN, IREDA, both stocks should be in your focus in future days. Another big company, Century Textile, stocks soared by 8% today after the unit secured prime land parcel in Gurugram. So the real estate arm Birla Estate, the real estate arm of Century Textile, actually acquired 5 acres of land parcel in Gurugram, targeting the revenue of 1400 crore. The company focused on premium projects in key markets with significant sales achievements. Indian real estate sector shows strong growth potential. So we have seen Brigade, Prestige, and KPR Mill, others companies has done pretty well along with Sova developers and etc. So Birla Estate, which is part of our real estate arm of Century Textile, they are also doing good, and because of this 5-acre land parcel in Gurugram, the Century Textile gone up 8%. So market appreciated this. Big news coming for all the railway stock. There is a news and there is a sentiment behind the budgetary allocation into the railway stock section. In the interim budget FY25, Finance Minister already allocated rupees 2,50,000 crore to railway as gross budgetary support, plus additional 10,000 from extra budgetary resources. Similarly, for our main budget, the expectation is pretty high for all the railway sector. That infrastructure gonna play a crucial role this time as well. And due to that, the railway stock, Rail Vikas Nigam, IRFC, IRCON, NBCC, RailTel, Texmaco Rail are in focus ahead of this union budget, which gonna happen after just 7 days on July 23rd. As per the record says, post the interim budget on February 1st, all the railway stock already gained between 11 to 112. Rvnl top gainer with 112 increase, followed by IRCON 44%, RailTel 37%, Texmaco 31%, IRFC advanced 28%, and NBCC 12%. So after the new allotment, the market is expecting this stock to fly away much more than now it is. For specifically Rvnl, yesterday also it got another order. I have a special video made for that. Please do watch and like, share, comment. So Rvnl, IRCON, TexRail, NBCC, IRFC, all the stocks should be in your watch list for a couple of days, and finally after this budget we will see where it goes. For tomorrow, 17th of July, these are the companies where result will be announced for Q1, but basically major company, large cap, Asian Paint, Ellison and Hathway, these are the 3 companies we should look into, and we'll see how it reacts to its result. In my video, we'll cover the analysis of their result respectively. Let's see how Nifty 50 performed today. It ended marginally higher of 26.30%. It started pretty good, but by end of today's session, 2:30 and 3 o'clock, it ended almost flat by 24,613. That's for Nifty. Sensex just 50 point up, ended 80,716. Same style as Nifty. Today FII was in the buyer side, 1271 crore buy. So last 3 days they are in the buyer side, but the volume is getting lower. DYI is 529 seller. They are selling for last 3 days. The volume is also getting lower. So that means in future date DII might be buyer and FII loser. So that cycle always goes on. Today's top gainers, CPCL, that is Chennai Petrochemical, 11% up. Alemic Pharma from the pharmaceutical, 10% up. Natco Pharma, another good company from pharma, is 6% up. Century Textile, we spoke about it. Due to the real estate arm taking care of 5 acres of land, the 5% up today. Top loser, Godfrey Philippe, it was the top gainer yesterday, around 16-15%. Today it down by 6. Jupiter Wagon, 5.72. Zomato, due to the news, 50% decline may happen from this buy, is 5% down today. MMTC, 4% down. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.